For someone going into data science, I would tell them that they don't need to have a strong background in data science already. They just need to be willing to learn. My name is Jeffrey Baugh. I'm an electrical engineering student at Northeastern University. My history in data science involved me obtaining 2 certificates from Johns Hopkins University and Wesleyan University. And through that, I was able to obtain an internship this summer at ABDS. When I was doing the internship, I didn't know everything. I didn't know the ins and outs of data science, but I understood, at least at the very basic level, what it was and what it can be used for. And sometimes, like, just looking at a bunch of numbers is really hard to understand what's going on, but when you can turn that into a graph for people to understand, then you can now tell a story. Oftentimes there's multiple correlation relationships that you can see, and it's using data science, you can kind of use that to pinpoint what more is a cause and effect rather than just a correlation. And so I think that's where data science really can help you understand the subject more. I don't think that you need to be a math god or a genius at it. But again, that curiosity will take you places. A lot of the math sometimes seems very abstract, but then the computer helps you figure it out anyways. When I started my internship, I did think I would have to know more than I did. It seemed pretty intimidating, but then it ended up being more of me kind of applying myself, and through this internship it helped me learn that I wanted to pursue engineering. And there's a lot of math in that, and I mentioned earlier that I wasn't the greatest at math, but now I'm doing pretty difficult math, so yeah. ABDS helped me learn because I was taking the math classes that was required that I needed in order to, one, know more about data science, and then also being able to code. I think being faced with having to learn Python and R at the same time during my internship is kind of what helped me be quickly adaptable. And so I think just having this understanding kind of the principles of how programming and coding languages work makes it easy so that it's not too difficult to pick up a new skill. You can't go wrong with data science. It'll only be another tool that will be under your belt that will help you to solve the problems that you're interested in. And in the learning process, you'll be able to basically increase your job outlook. And so with data science, you kind of want to be in that field because it's only going to keep growing.